And welcome back again. As you saw right before the break, we were above average today, and it's been just a gorgeous day in general. The southerly winds return. They've kept us clear, and as we talked about yesterday, yeah, we do have a ridge, or a mid-level ridge really is what it is. So it's several thousand feet above the ground. But yeah, you can see that across central U.S., and that's bringing us nice temperatures and conditions. Overall, we've been pretty clear, a few high clouds. That has been about it. Now on water vapor, notice out to the west, this little spin going on. Now notice how as this goes, it kind of gets compressed right here and elongated to this northwest southeast right there. See that? It's because it's getting impinged by a system on out to the west. What happens is this will kind of move on off into the U.S., and this little trough right here will kind of dig down into the northern U.S., and these two will kind of coalesce together, and they'll have a cold front as well that rolls on down near the Gulf Coast, and that cold front's really what's going to be initiating our storms Saturday night into your Sunday morning. But until then, tonight's forecast, partly cloudy skies, 48 degrees, those winds. Yeah, the southeast, pretty calm, 5 miles per hour. And then for your Friday, pleasant conditions as that high pressure remains off the coast of the Carolinas. Plenty of southerly winds, a few showers out in Arkansas, Texas, and Louisiana. But that is really about it. And we're just going to be nice. We're talking mid to upper 70s once again for tomorrow. And as we get on into your weekend, that's when we're starting to look at the chance for showers and thunderstorms. Again, Saturday night into your Sunday morning time frame. So there's that trough that you saw in water vapor. And there'll be a little pressure along with that as well. And the cold front will sink all the way up down to the Gulf. Out to the west, not a lot going on, but across the area again, we're looking at maybe a half to a whole inch of rain, maybe some hail, maybe some damaging winds. Tornado threats not looking likely at the moment. I never rule it out completely. This is again looking to move through as a squall line as we go on into the overnight hours. So that's really what we're looking at as our main concern would be damaging winds, hail, not even large hail as far as we're concerned. Friday overall not too bad, and as we get on into your Saturday, this will skip ahead into Saturday evening, and I'll start to kind of form on out to the west, a few precursor showers, and the main front will move through overnight Saturday night. And real quick, well, how does hail form? So we're talking about hail, and not a lot of people know how it forms. So what happens is you have a strong updraft with the storm. That's just where air is rising. That's why you see big storms. You generally have larger hail the taller they are. What happens is you have a freezing low. The air only about 12 to 14,000 feet for this weekend above the ground is freezing. So you get a strong updraft that takes those rain particles or those liquid water particles up into the top of the atmosphere. Some of them freeze, some of them become super cold water and kind of form over and freeze over hail. Hailstones kind of collide with each other. There's multiple different processes by which it forms. What happens is the hail stays aloft until it gets too large for the updraft and gravity takes over and it just falls to the ground. Yeah, pretty cool. So expect some hail over the weekend potentially as these storms roll on through. So your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Yeah, next couple days we'll stay in the 70s. Overall, the beginning of your Saturday doesn't look too bad, but then as we get on to your Sunday as well, really the overnight hours when we're looking for that storm system to move on through. And look at our temperatures. Yeah, they're going to fall into the 50s. Monday, this is not right. Monday is going to be, we should move this over. I don't know what's going on, but Monday is overall going to be an okay day. We'll start to warm back up into the 60s. We'll stay in the 60s for Tuesday, but as we get on to Wednesday and Thursday, even better temperatures. We get back above freezing, and by the end of next week, we could hit 80 degrees. So yeah, just ignore Monday on there. I don't know. It seems to be having this problem. It seems every single day just pushes it ahead.
It's a Monday, so it's trying to be a Monday.
Something, yeah. I'm going to have to go back there and have a talk with my computer.
Work with it. Do something. Thank you, sir.